Hey, what's up, everybody? It's a weekly forage forecast for June 1st to the 6th. And like we do every week, we check out foragefactory.com to see what's going on with the news events that impact the market. And this week is NFP week, where there's going to be heavy news on Friday. Since it's the first Friday of the month, so it'll just be volatility with NFP. But let's start off with Sunday. So based off this, there's a bank holiday affecting few pairs. So usually Sunday, the market's slow. And then Monday, it starts to pick up with some volatility. As you can see, there's mostly low impact news affecting the GBP pairs. But then during New York session, is high impact for the USD pairs. Expect some decent volatility. And then Tuesday, you got more high impact news that's going to affect different pairs during London session as well as in New York session with the USD. And then also Asian session 9:30 p.m. for the AUD pair. Be cautious if you're scalping. And then Wednesday, you have decent news during New York session affecting the USD pair as well as the CAD. So just be mindful of your scalping. And then Thursday, same thing, New York session. You got a lot of news for the euro and some of the USD for a high impact. And then Friday, end of the week, you got CAD and USD. So this is where the non-farm employment change, unemployment rates. So depending on this, it should be interesting in the market to end the week. So now let's look at the charts. So right now, this is a daily chart, the Euro New Zealand pair. So right now, I'm focusing on buy opportunities. I understand this is a daily candle, so it's going to take a couple of days for these to play out. But I do see for this pair at least that we are going to the upside, mainly because it's strong bullish candle previously, but I do see us potentially ranging to the upside. Now let's look at Euro AUD. So Euro AD, as you can see, we've been on an uptrend last week. I do see us a continuation for an uptrend as well, following this channel. If we break the channel, then we might come back down to retest and then shoot back up. But ultimately, your AUD focusing on the uptrend because you see the strong push. So right now, this is like a retracement, and this is a retracement to the upside before we have a crazy push to the upside. And US dirty. So for the Dow, right now, focus on sell opportunities. Mainly trying to be mindful to see if I see any type of retracement candle to take us to the downside. Right now, it's a 4-hour chart, so it might take time to play out. But since we were very bullish, but then we broke down here, but we didn't create a high. So I do expect us to create or test a low. If we break this low, we're going to the downside. If we don't break the low, we might come back up to retest before we come back down. But right now, looking for sell opportunities. And for gold, same thing, looking for sell opportunities. We broke some previous areas of support, so see us coming down. But if we don't create a new low, then we're going to potentially retest the previous high. If we push up, we're going to go to the upside. But right now, just focusing on sell opportunities. I'm just being mindful how the market reacts to this zone and how the market reacts to this zone. So either we're going to respect here to the downside and break, or we're going to create support and go to the upside. So sometimes in the market, you just got to be mindful to let the market show you the direction. But right now, looking for sell opportunities at this moment. GBUSD, right now, focus on buy opportunities. The market has been retracing for a while. So they had a strong push, but this is all retracement to the downside. So we could literally push back up. We could come down here to test, but I do see us pushing back up. But if we break down here, then we know we're going back to the downside. But as of now, focusing on buy opportunities. GBP, JPY, same thing, focus on buy opportunities. Right now, we're retracing down heavy, waiting for our area of support to take back to the upside. We could respect this area, or we could come down to this area. Either way, I'm looking for opportunities around this zone. If not, I look for opportunities around this zone for buys. And let's look at Bitcoin for those who trade Bitcoin. So this is for our chart. So right now, Bitcoin been ranging to the downside from this crazy push. We created all-time highs in May, but right now it's been dropping. So I am looking for potential buy opportunities when presented. So right now, this is based off the daily chart. So waiting to see a bullish candle closure on the daily to determine the for new structure to push it upside. So right now I'm waiting. Still no clear direction for this pair. And last but not least, New Zealand USD. Safety in at GBP USD, looking for buy opportunities because we had a strong push here, and this is like there's some retracements. We could literally just come to the upside, or if we come down, we could try create area of support and shoot to the upside. But focusing on buy opportunities at this moment. So that's pretty much it right now. That's in the market for this upcoming week. Let's be mindful that the market's going to start to pick up through Monday to Friday. So Friday's NMP, where definitely going to be a change direction in the market. So definitely practice good risk management and should be okay. If you have any questions, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. You already know we out here. Peace.